Hello and welcome to this video on the top 5 best websites to become a tutor part 1. In this video, we will be discussing 5 of the best online platforms for tutors, their features, and how you can benefit from them. Welcome to MoneyExp YouTube channel as we teach you how to make money online and saving tips. Now, let's get started with the first one on our list. 1. Varsity Tutors. The first website we will be discussing is Varsity Tutors. This online platform connects students with tutors and instructors to help them reach their academic goals. With over 3,000 expert tutors specializing in various subjects such as math, science, English, and history, the platform caters to students of all levels and educational backgrounds. Varsity Tutors offers individual tutoring for academic subject areas, test prep, and live group classes for students from K-8, high school, college, and adults. Tutoring sessions can be scheduled around the student's availability, and the platform offers personalized feedback from tutors during each session. The cost of one-on-one tutoring with Varsity Tutors ranges from $73 to $95 per hour. However, according to Reddit users, the company pays tutors between a minimum of $15 per hour up to $30 per hour, depending on credentials and subject difficulty. However, opinions on the platform's quality, pricing, and tutor experience vary, with some users expressing concerns about the company taking a significant cut of tutors' earnings. 2. Preply. The second website we will be discussing is Preply. This online educational platform connects tutors with students for various subjects, including languages and academic subjects. Tutors can set their own rates, work schedules, and lesson plans to provide personalized lessons for their students. Preply offers features such as lesson scheduling, lesson plan sharing, and a flexible cancellation policy. Additionally, it provides tools and resources to tutors, including webinars, training materials, and a mobile application. The commission rate starts at 33% and decreases to 18% as the number of hours taught increases. However, trial lessons carry a 100% commission and are not paid. To become a tutor on Preply, no degree or teaching experience is required, only basic qualifications such as good interpersonal communication skills, passion for teaching, and high English proficiency. However, some potential caveats include unpaid demos/trials, significant competition for students, and platform fees. 3. First Tutors. This website is a reputable tutoring service that has been connecting students and tutors since 2005. It is an open market platform that offers both online and in-person tuition for multiple subjects and levels in various countries. The platform has won industry awards and is recommended by the Good Schools Guide. If you are interested in becoming a tutor on First Tutors, there are no qualifications or experience required. Tutors set their own pay rates and schedules and have the freedom to choose between online and in-person tutoring. You can customize your profile by sharing information about your certifications, degrees, subjects, languages, and tutoring style. The platform does not charge a commission fee to its tutors, and students must pay a finder's fee for each tutor they wish to work with. The First Tutors online platform is user-friendly, and tutors can organize their appointments and schedule through it. Online tutoring is cost-effective compared to in-person tutoring, with rates as low as $31 per hour. However, online learning may not work for everyone, as some students may find it harder to concentrate and be engaged in an online learning environment. Certain subjects, like physics, biology, or chemistry, might be challenging to learn online since they require hands-on collaborative sessions. 4. Superprof. Superprof is an online tutoring and teaching platform that connects students with tutors for one-on-one sessions based on the student's geographical location and subject they want to learn. It offers both private and online tutoring services for a wide range of subjects, from academic to recreational pursuits, such as cooking, art, music, fitness, and life skills. Tutors on Superprof have maximum flexibility in terms of rates, hours, and student selection. They can set their own rates, work hours, and teaching content and methods. There are very few requirements to become a tutor on Superprof, such as being 18 years or older and having a valid right to work document and proof of identity. Superprof supports new tutors in their teaching journey and provides resources, including assistance with profile setup, lesson scheduling, and access to current trends in education and interest topics on the Superprof blog. Superprof is a subscription-based service, where students pay a monthly fee to access a tutor's services. The platform charges a 10% commission on lesson fees if tutors opt to receive payment through the Superprof site. A premium club subscription is also available for tutors, costing $9 per month or $69 annually, which provides additional benefits such as more advert visibility, personalized statistics, lesson insurance, and a dedicated support team. User experiences on Superprof vary, with some users having positive experiences finding tutors on the platform, while others have reported issues such as unauthorized charges and lack of students. However, the platform has a 4.3 out of 5 rating on its Glassdoor page, with 95% willing to recommend them. 5. The Princeton Review. The Princeton Review is a well-established test preparation and tutoring service that has been operating since 1981. To become a tutor with the Princeton Review, applicants must meet certain qualifications, such as residing in the US or Canada, being at least 18 years old, having a valid social security number or social insurance number, being eligible to work in the US or Canada, and being able to commit to at least 5 hours per week on a regular basis. Additionally, applicants must pass a qualifying exam specific to the subject they wish to teach, as well as undergo training and possess strong oral and written communication skills. Most of the classes and tutorials offered by the Princeton Review take place on nights and weekends, allowing tutors to maintain full-time jobs or other commitments. Tutors can work from home with a stable, high-speed internet connection, and their employment is flexible, with the Princeton Review working around their availability. The company also provides opportunities for growth, including international teaching opportunities. Once a tutor is hired, they can expect to receive their first class relatively quickly, with the first class typically requiring 3 to 9 hours per week. Additional classes and students may be assigned after the completion of the first class, but availability may depend on competition from existing instructors and the number of classes available. Starting pay for tutors is around $25 per hour, although this may vary depending on the region and city. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your journey to become a tutor. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.